The following is a Be Distinct production on behalf of Gafco Green Northwest for Platte University. For additional information, go to bedistinct.com. Warning: if you are still using the outdated technology of PVC-coated rigid steel conduit, the following information will remove any excuse you've ever had for still using PVC. Let's say you're out in the field working, and instead of grabbing a wrench, you accidentally grab a conveniently located hatchet and proceed to hack off a chunk of protective coating, compromising this entire component. Well, now what do? It used to be that by using the old inferior products, you would have to either stop production and lose most of a day if this piece was in line already to make a repair, or you just waste this product, throw it away, and move on using an undamaged piece. Well, welcome to the new world of Gafco Green Northwest.
Now, to repair this piece of conduit, I could use this 1500 watt heat gun, but remember, I'm out in the field, so I'm nowhere near 1500 watts. So instead, I'll grab this propane torch. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be centering the flame, so I'm heating the steel as well as the Gafco Green product in the area around the damage. I'll then take the patch, apply it over the affected area, and immediately begin heat fusing the patch directly back into the product. Now what you'll see here is the edges of the product actually begin to fuse. You see a little bit of smoke happening, and if any of you have worked with PVC, or I should say all of you have worked with PVC, seeing me in this studio setting working with a smoking product should make you very nervous. And yet the Gafco Green is 100% non-toxic. And what you'll see is that the edges have now fused a brand new bond over the affected area.
Amazing! I just did this repair here in the studio setting. There's no toxic fumes, no nasty dripping toxic chemicals. Just this incredibly simple process of healing the wound in the Gafco Green coating. There's no need for it to cure. There's no need to wait, no need to lose time in my project. The repair is done and ready to use, and this repaired product actually exceeds the durability spec of the other PVC products. Before I say more about this incredible Gafco Green product, bear with me as I touch briefly on the other outdated product that the industry has been using for so long. As a qualifier, everything I'm about to say about PVC is a direct quote from the state of California's Health Concerns and Environmental Issues with PVC Containing Building Materials in Green Buildings document that was produced by the California Environmental Protection Agency and the California Office of Environmental Health Hazard Assessment back in 2006. They reviewed tens of thousands of web pages and websites, as well as over 400 peer-reviewed journal articles concerning the use of PVC. From this mountain of data, they created a 77-page document, 30 pages of which are references to a massive pile of research materials. So for validation of what I'm about to quote, please refer to this overwhelming preponderance of research data and read it for yourself. Vinyl chloride, in its natural form, is a toxic gas. Polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, is made by a special heat-treating process turning this toxin into plastic. Because PVC by itself is a white, brittle, inert product, plasticizers, phthalates, and metal stabilizers are added so they can do things like wrap conduit in it. Simple things like heat and light cause PVC to degrade and release chlorine into the environment in the form of HCl or hydrochloric acid. Chlorine, ethylene, ethylene dichloride, hydrogen chloride, vinyl chloride monomer, and dioxins are all released when PVC is either superheated or burned. Each of these are toxic, hazardous mutagens and cause all kinds of things like tumors, cancer, and other acute and chronic illnesses. More than 20 billion pounds of PVC are consumed each year by America and Canada. Most of this is used in rigid form in our construction. There are multiple health concerns from PVC being in indoor environments and low levels of health-harming contaminants being released simply by it being in there. There are dangers of acute and chronic health effects from exposure when PVC is either burned or just superheated. If I may ask the question about the elephant in the room, this research information that I'm quoting summarized a huge concern that exists globally over the billions of pounds of PVC being buried in landfills, leaching all the toxins into our groundwater. What is the difference between that PVC and the millions of pounds of PVC-coated rigid steel conduit that is buried into the earth and the groundwater that's all around us? Welcome to the Gafco Green Difference. The unique chemical properties of the polymer-based compounds provide unsurpassed UV corrosion protection when installed outdoors or exposed to sunlight or other UV-producing environments. That's an extra layer of long-term protection for you. Unlike traditional PVC-coated components and other coatings, tapes, paints, etc., the Gafco Green Difference is a proven, state-of-the-art thermoplastic coating technology that contains, well, no reactive ingredients, no phthalates, no halogens, no isocyanates, no heavy metals, no VOCs, no chlorine compounds at all, and no hydrogen chloride gas emissions that result from burning. In fact, part of the Gafco Green Difference is that this coating technology is composed almost entirely of compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and water. Now, what that means to you, to firefighters, to future generations in our environment, is that if this burns, the fumes are mostly water and what you breathe out, carbon dioxide. And as a result, the toxicity of the burning fumes are extremely low, and in a fire situation, while it's not specifically a fire retardant, Gafco Green not only more than meets the requirements for coatings in tunnels, enclosed buildings, and on passenger trains, but it passes the stringent ASTM E84 standards for combustible building materials by incredible percentage points. The Gafco Green Northwest Difference offers you other advantages as well. Now, you saw how easy it is to repair this product, but you also get the advantage of adhesion without nasty primers, chemical and galvanic corrosion protection, low smoke and flame spread ratings, high dielectric strength, superior flexibility without cracking at low temperatures, superior mechanical, abrasive, and impact resistance, a superior finish, it's lightweight, it has incredible joint sealing, it's food and water contact approved. Did I mention how easy it is to repair without any of the toxins? This product counts directly toward the green percentage required in your contract quotas. It's non-polluting, non-toxic, and 100% recyclable. This product is the same cost or less than the products that aren't green. This lasts 2 to 3 times longer than its PVC competitor products. So you add those two things together and you can see the value of Gafco Green, because even at the same price, it's 3 times the value of the competitive product. Are your clients important enough for you to inform them about this option? Do you care enough about your clients to not compromise their safety and expose them to potential liability? You've built your relationships by being the best and offering the best. Gafco Green is safe, non-polluting, non-toxic, longer-lasting, and 100% green. Welcome to the new world. Welcome to Gafco Green Northwest.